friends, my brother and sisters. Today is I want to come and read for you about the Bible. Okay, you know that everything you thought is the right thing. Do you think everything you thought? The God talking about to the people is the people thinking about everything is evil thing. God tell me like this. Okay, I want to read for you about little bit here. Penny yellow part car. Hello, my friends, my brother and sister. Okay, today I come and see you because I want to read for you the Bible. You know that the Bible is very important to you. Okay, here is the little bit about I want to read for you in the Genesis. The God creation people later than the God punishments after that, the flood coming. Here is the Genesis chapter 6, verse 5. Talk about here a little bit. I want to read for you verse 5. The Lord saw how great man's weakness on the earth have come, and thus every inclination, what is that inclination of the thought of his heart was only evil all the time. They thought every evil all the time. Okay. Pay up a get to penny, Kasaya Tiwera. Paganyoni aware pagitema rive le pagitema umuelo hako weaken pain pethinya sikolo talo weakness sitani memni timile pegle kwa pay to se polo paganyon clone devadala tapitamala katutala secto cane pegle kwa sepo paydo pagitema late moshi shadow who a sapo yeni devadadilo. Hi, my friends. Hi, everyone. Okay, little Moses who a sapo yeni do you are too well upon your tadebani me a dolo hokukla do kayeta kuto sukomola at that the milalani me te a thoko muni munadelo. Every people thought in their mind is the evil thought. Do you believe or not? I'm not sure. Then I think that a lot of people think about I thought this is a great thing, right? This is the right thing. Every person do like say like this. It's not the right thing. Yes, the God talking to the God see the people thought in their heart is everything is the even thought, everything even thought. Here is the Genesis chapter 8, verse 21. Talk about here a little bit. The Lord smelling the pleasing aromas and said in his heart, never again will I curse the ground because of man, even though various inclination of his heart is evil from childhood, and never again will I destroy all living creatures as I have done before. You know the Noah time, the flood, the God punishes people. He destroying everything, but later then he think about he pleasing the something about the people offering that to God. He's only smelling on the heaven. That this is meaning about he pleasing, the God pleasing. Later then the God said, I never again we curse. We curse the ground because of man. I never do it again. The God said, I never do it again. Okay, this is the meaning about the God never punished the earth and never punish the earth. Okay, ever do you think about it? Pero pagkle kwa leta sisikabu paini Devada dile. Pagkle kwa later mo si asado kwa asapo kisitan Devada. Do yuan neto tanamu do yuat sile atakipu. Pakanyo ataku tama tola aputa kwalili. Pasado ye tesu leba haku lepa kanyo kuba do ye te klo leba kaye tata di yamati eto nebalo ye tesu leba pagitete male kasayo ne su wera haku kablo tiwe pa kanyo atasukumo ne tobero pasukumo de blog khoni pagitete male patasukumo ne khilo patasukumo ne balo Junior, hi everyone. Today is I want to share about for you is the out of the heart can even thoughts. You know the out of the heart, okay? Heart can even thought. We thinking every time, but this is the wrong thing we do. Okay. Pero pagle awani kasaywa Devada dinilo kasaya sukumo warala awe mara timilala ne mitala pagitera mara keblo kepu basana le kiki do tiki wala pakinyo atamagi owe pakinyo atamagi owe sitane pandemic and primer pandemic okay now pero pagitera mara tamata dinilo okay I want to keep going to read for you about here a little bit about in the Proverbs chapter 7 verse Proverbs chapter 6 verse 14. Okay, Proverbs chapter 6 verse 14. Here is the little bit. Who plots evil with deceit in his heart, he always still up decision. This is the meaning. What is the meaning about the thing? You know that every time we deceive evil thing. This is okay. You know this is a very big deal about you thinking. Pero pagle kwa paine lectoro sero who a serpo paine terala lectoro a sero who a serpo to silvini terala manitimile. Loda wita uwele athakipu. Wele tama odetiho to ilo suki lutalo pagitera ma awede loda wera do leader loda pagitera ma de blog khoni le pamara temilala ne pa leader khoplo le po ohuda tagaga leader ko pa loda awani kama sikolo pagitera ma paganyo atasuko ne mitala kama kele kesilo itana suko le ta otato okay. All people thinking in their heart, okay, wrongs, everything is wrong, okay, the God knows everything. You cannot deny by yourself. Here, Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 9, talk about a little bit. I want to read for you. Paine pagiteramana, wirmia asero to sinui asepo queen dile. The heart is deceitful above all things and beyond curious. Who can understand it? Who can understand the heart? You understand about the heart? Okay, someone's heart. Nobody understand. Okay. Here is the deceitful about all things. This is a heart. Sound, you know, that someone telling you something. This is a meaning about, oh, you like it, okay, you follow. You don't like, you don't follow. This is your heart tell you something important there. Okay. Pero pagitete mala, we're me as a sinui a several queen table, pakanyo athani lone, ta duni ani, ta kulki do away. Dumalo, mimata tinya or tirgale. Pagterma, Panyota ni lonida. I want a pathinya with thea. Okay, Pagterma palon wanyo. Okay, maybe something I tell you about it. Okay, I love you. Do you think that I love you? Okay, maybe you tell me about I love you so much. You think about that sometime, or you love me so much. I think like that. This is right or wrong, I don't know. This only God know about in your heart. Okay, I don't know too. Okay, this is the right thing that the Bible talk about. This is the right thing. When you meet on the picture mala ta tamila katuta nilo. Okay, here is the I want to read for you about the Mark chapter 7 verse 21 to 22 talk about a little bit here. I want to read for you because of the English language and Korean language is different then. The time go up a aeropala le mako a shadow pagitera mala a shadow new so kisiter kisiki made me waro parani akale kamukamata la pagno cloro corwaklo nilo. Penny pagitera madile from within out of man has come even those self-sure immorality, thief, murders, adultery, greed, okay, malice, deceit, okay, lawlessness, envy, slander, arrogant, and foolish. This is all thing is come out of your heart. Come out of your heart. Okay. You should think about cut off the man heart. You know that sometimes you think, oh, I am the great person. I think it's the great thing, but wrong. Okay, everything wrong. Pero patinya sikolo patamu pune paini lima ko shadow. Pagdera mala lima ko shadow nuye sabu kisitera kisigi pakapa. Tepuko midme waro kolo waklo pa nyoklo ne awen lo sota le awaka turane mitala polo takamu kama pani dumane lo takwetan. Paini pagdera mala agire I taku erpa tama kama mukama kwa tahu tabla tama tiba ganyo ta ebi ta tu quy ta quy okay ta ta to ta lo ta wi ta lu ko lu ka pa ta ka ta du dwe ta pa tho ta ku ta ba ta pha ne he tho we le apu le pa ka nyo ataki pu ne lo awen le pa ka nyo ataki pu ne he tho ta de I want to read for you the another verse is here in the Matthew chapter 15 verse 19 talk about a little bit here. Paine pagdeta mala limma the asaru to see ye a support to see queening to that body nilom. For out of the hearts come even thoughts, murder, adultery, sorcerers, immorality, thief, for testimony, slander. I want to patinya sekola slander ne patinya sekola takota ketami le pamani mita tit panilo. Let an hutaroni. We should think carefully in our heart. We should clean our heart first. Okay. Pero pagkita mala lima tesal siya support si queen tiba agadi taku ato tama tiba ganyo ta ebi tama kama kwa ta hu tablata ta ataka bligabla ta du tira pa hetol pataki pulo ta utaka bligabla ne arke patiba siko le pa ganyo le daga ode uro tai ta kui daga le awate pagre mata pa flawara awate ta sukomulo pagre mala abba khelo litano kutara awe ko tu ko ta tit phane awane mitala the blood khoni awe pagre mala pamada ne wili pasana kiro pa utak bi bla le patana bu ba pa tinya wa sikone awane mitala utak bi bla lo do the blood khoni pati patinya sikon pasana ki pe edo do de patala pa tu ta hi pari ko ro pa do the de pata tano no pa kwa ta mu ba no pa ka ma chao no pa lo pa kwa mu no pa ta ma chao ba awane mi sikon ta utak bi bla sikolo ta lo ba ganyo ne mit ka tu da ne ba ka tu da ta mi ta to sikolo. For testimony is that some people they lies other one doesn't like the other guy. This is the meaning about that they follow they want us, they don't follow they don't want it. This is the meaning that okay, this is a wrong thing. The right thing is whatever post and reach a leader and employer doesn't matter. right? You should stand the right thing. Okay, you should stand the right thing. Don't make it wrong thing. This is a meaning about in your heart. You afraid something. When you meet up, okay, my friends, my brother and sister, today is the topic out of the heart come even though. When you meet up, ta head tolo pata puni meet up pata sukumu tole. Head tolo pata puni meet up sukumu tolo. Yero katura let in yata west sikolo. Why suki glutara sweep weko kanegi. Thank you so much. God bless you all, my friend. I see you next time. Bye bye.